Annyeonghaseyo everyone. So today, since I'm done doing my assignment, I will clean my room because it's so dirty. So, it's done. This is my study table. Mini study table and water for, when I'm tired. And my reminders, my family, my friends, and my idol. And the flowers that my mom gives to me. And motivational quotes. My name, and motivational quotes. And this is the bed. I'm done cleaning. Bye bye.
Okay, we have Aiko. So Aiko, give me usa ka noun and use it in a sentence. Coloring materials. Use coloring materials in a sentence.
Coloring materials as using designer and color drawing.
It should be coloring materials is used in designing and coloring the drawing. But that's okay. And also spit the bubble gum outside. You're not allowed to eat.
Yes.
No. Okay, Aiko's done. So next is Althea. Althea. Ikaw, day. Anong bubble gum na? Sa gawas? Di ko saka? Go. We have Althea. Go. Ay, tanaw si mong kuan. Faster. Sige na, because the time is running. Table. Okay, use the table in a sentence. Bon. Table is a writing place. Okay. Next, we have Rachel. We have Rachel. Okay, Rachel. Give me a noun and use it in a sentence. Notebook. Use notebook in a sentence.
The notebook is using to the school.
The notebook is used in the school. Okay. Clap everyone. Next we have Javon.
Flashlight too.
Okay, flashlight. Use flashlight in a
The
sentence.
flashlight is a lightning.
Okay, so today we are going to explain, discuss again about the pronouns that we have discussed the last time. So, atong she, he, they, or them. So now, the same thing, you are going to think one sentence each. Ayaw one sentence. Sige, one sentence each, but this time, gamitin na ninyo ang them o ang they. So, bali, pila na ka-sentence? 4 sentence. Usa ka she, usa ka he, usa ka them, o usa ka they. And by the next day, we will gonna discuss about I. As karon sa he, she, them, o they. So, ako balikon, ang she, i-address, ang she, unsa man siya gamiton. Once i-address siya sa in English. Girl or women. Ang he, boy. Ang them, daghan. And they, daghan. Okay, so by the next topic, ato sa siyang hinayon. So by the next topic, we are going to discuss what is the difference between them or they.